Hi, I'm Johnny Schenberg from startingentrepreneur.com. Today we're going to talk about what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So, affiliate marketing, it's basically you're selling other people's products for a commission. And when someone buys from your link, you get paid. That's basically the whole process. So let's head over to the computer so I can show you how it works. So here we are on Amazon.com. Just type in Amazon.com. in your search bar and search for it, and you will end up on this page. What you will do here is you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and here it says become an affiliate. You just click on this link, become an affiliate here, and you will sign up the form with your personal information and bank information, and you will become an affiliate for Amazon Associates. That's what the affiliate program is called, Amazon Associates. So when you have done that, you can promote all of these products. If you click here, you can see all the categories. They have a lot of products. It's basically thousands. You can promote them all. So this is one of the affiliate programs you can sign up for. Then we have ClickBank, and when you search for clickbank.com, you will end up on this side here. And if you haven't an account at ClickBank, you need to create one. And you click here, create account, and you do the same. You fill out the form, your personal information and your bank information, so you can get paid as well from ClickBank. When you have done that, you have signed up for ClickBank. You will basically log into your account and click on Affiliate Marketplace. I think when you are logged in, it will say just Marketplace. And here are the marketplace. It looks like this. And here is the same as on Amazon. You have all the categories on the left hand side. And you have a lot of categories and products to promote. Even here as well on ClickBank. So if you have, I don't know, let's say a health blog, click here, and you just find a product that looks good. And then when you have found a product that you see fit for you, that fits your blog, you just click promote, and then you will end up on you will get a link to this product so you can promote it, and then you will put your link on your blog or YouTube channel or wherever you want, basically. So this is two of, there is many affiliate programs you can sign up for, but this is two really good ones. ClickBank and Amazon. So take a look at these, and on Amazon, I think you can earn commissions from 1 to I think 10% per sale. It's not that much, but if you have a blog about something and maybe you are reviewing a product, then why wouldn't you have a link to that product, so you can make a commission, even if it's a small commission. And on ClickBank, it's not unusual that you get 50% from one sale. So let's say that you have a YouTube channel about fishing, and you want to make a review video about, you have found a fishing rod that you want to make a review video about. So you grab that affiliate link and you put it in the description of your video. And then when someone comes and click on that affiliate link and buys that rod, you make a commission. So that's basically how it works. So that is affiliate marketing, and I hope that this video was valuable to you, and you now understand what affiliate marketing is. If you think it was, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about this kind of things, please check out the link in the description below. So, till the next time, have a good day.